So we're going to do another trail today. We're going to head off probably in about 10 minutes, but this is what you can see in the video. Stick around, hope you enjoy the video. Off the beaten track gander. Probably on day 8 now of the 2-week trip for 2021. We're still in the beautiful spot of Monroe. We had a little incident last night, as you probably saw on the video. A cougar up in the toilet area spooked everybody. Elliott saw it, scared it away, and later on in the evening it was calling again for some good half hour, some screeching, apparently like a raptor. I didn't hear it, I was asleep. Heading out today, we're going to go on another trail and we'll keep posted. Okay, time to air down. Hi Brian.
I'll air down.
Crossing Creek trailhead. We're just going to air down and get ready for the trail. I've got to do something about these valves because they're not very good on the tyres.
Oh yeah, those are those awful things. And Elliott gets out his 4 at a time deflator, inflator setup.
I think it's beyond limb risers.
Here comes Anthony over a couple of big boulders. Well done. And here comes Anthony and Elliott down the last part of this rocky descent. Quite steep, and of course the video doesn't do it justice. Here comes Anthony back up. We've turned around now. It's just more or less a trail going out of here, so. Yep. Here comes Elliott. Just hit it with a touch of speed. Hit it with a little more speed. Same route. Got some bouncing there.
Holy crap!
Now it's got lockers. Should be quite a bit easier. And it is.
Bouncy, wasn't it? It's not 500 now. But I don't think it would fit.
Probably not.
Oh, the fender again! Oh yeah.
Got some trail damage here.
She wants me to get some new fenders, I think.
He's going to take a different line. He's got his thing unlocked.
Right, we're going to do a bit of trail tidy. Looks like we found a little twigs hanging around the road. We don't catch it on somebody's vehicle. So I hooked it up. Just going to pull it out of the way. Hopefully it'll just slide out.
That's us back from the Crossing Creek Trail, back at camp. That was a great little trail. It wasn't a very long trail, but it took a nice little afternoon ride out. A bit technical in places, rocky. A little trail clean up at the end. But the vehicle's done as well. Elliott managed to find a couple of puddles before we come in, so I'm going to let that dry off before I back up. But yeah, I enjoyed that little run. If you enjoyed it, click like below. If you like the videos, click the bell, I'll let you know when I do some more. And take care guys, and see you there.